Hi Dushyant, welcome to Delhi Tadka.
Thank you.
Dushyant, Mother's Day is coming.
Yes.
So, and a mother is a person who is very much important in every kid's life. So, share your memories with your mother, how it is, your relation you are sharing, your bond you are sharing with your mother.
वेल स्पेशली जब ये टॉपिक आता है माँ, बड़े बड़े तुरम खां कुछ बोल नहीं पाते, तो मैं तो बहुत छोटा सा बंदा हूँ. बट और मेरा मानना ये है कि माँ आपके लिए जो भी करती है, नॉट ओनली फॉर द किड बट फॉर द फैमिली, बीइंग अ सेंटर ऑफ द हाउस, एक माँ जो करती है आपके लिए वो कोई नहीं कर पाता. और शायद किसी ने ठीक कहा है कि माँ ये भगवान का एक रूप है जो आपके लिए भगवान ने भेजा है. सो फॉर मी मॉम इज इक्वल टू गॉड.
Okay. So, any particular memory of yours where your mother has beaten up or beaten you or something?
Any particular memory, if you ask me?
Yes.
That would be it was when I started up with my acting career. That
Okay.
was my first film, Tera Mera Saath Hai.
Okay.
And in that film, way back in 2000,
Okay.
Diwali 2000,
Okay.
and I played a spastic character in the film.
Okay.
So the whole film was based on me and the hero Ajay Devgn.
Okay.
So as I played the spastic guy, nobody recognized me. मैं थिएटर में भी गया था तो किसी ने पहचाना नहीं, because nobody thought कि ये बंदा सीधा हो सकता है. So I was very sad, and I was like कि माँ देखो किसी ने नहीं पहचाना, थिएटर में भी आया किसी ने नहीं पहचाना. तो उन्होंने सिर्फ एक बात कही मुझसे कि तुझे नहीं लगता कि तूने ये जो किरदार किया है, अगर तुझे पब्लिक नहीं पहचान रही है तो ये सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट है तेरे लिए. स्मॉल, शॉर्ट, स्वीट, yet very heart touching and very encouraging. So that sentence always boosts me. अगर आपको, आप क्या चाहते हैं जिंदगी में, आप सक्सेस चाहते हैं, आप एक्सेलेंस चाहते हैं, what exactly you want. सक्सेस तो मिलती है, एक्सेलेंस बहुत कम जन को मिलती है. So I think वो मुझे हमेशा याद आता है मेरी मम्मी की बात.
Okay. And what kind of bond you share with your mom?
She is my friend basically. मतलब obviously अगर मैं कुछ गलत करता हूँ तो डांटती भी है उन्हें, वो तो हर एक माँ करती है. बट मेरे दोस्तों का बहुत ऐसा रहता है कि जनरली when the friends are around you, ऐसा लगता है मम्मी को मत बताना. That's not the case with me. Whatever is there in my life, I share it with my mom as my best part. So she is my best friend.
Okay. It says that a mother is a backbone of every kid. So how you will define it in your words?
Obviously, because आपको जन्म देने से हर एक काम माँ ही करती है, तो आप है क्योंकि आपकी माँ है. आपको जन्म ही आपकी माँ ने दिया है, तो obviously she is not only the backbone, she is everything for you. So for me to define it, it's a very vast topic. Something like God, something like love, you just can't define it, you can feel it. So that's the feeling.
And one word for your mother?
Everything.
So now wish your mother and all the mothers in world happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dushyant. Hello Niluji, welcome to Delhi Tadka.
Thank you so much.
Niluji, Mother's Day is coming. You have played so many motherly kind of role in television, almost all. And let me compliment you that you are the most beautiful mother on screen.
Thank you so much.
So how it's been your experience as mother?
The first time I played a mother to a grown-up boy, I felt, that time I had little children. I used to say, "Kere baap re, itne bade bade bachon ki maan." But but slowly I think I started really liking what I did, and it's very ironical, but all the children that I played mother to till date call me mom, even when they meet me now, which includes Jacqueline, whose mother I just played in Houseful.
Houseful.
She still calls me mom and has spelled my name as mom only. So I think it's a bond that I strike with every child whose mother I play, and it feels really nice, really nice.
Of course, because mother is such a special person in
Yeah.
everyone's life, everybody's life. So, would love to know that you have played so many characters, so many shades as a mother also.
Yeah.
So, which is your favorite character till date?
I think every role that I did was special in me. That is why I sort of picked it up, because you find something special in a role, which is why you do it. I love what I'm doing here in Na Bole Tum Na Maine, because for a change she's she's a mother, but she's a sensible mother also. I don't know, actually.
And protective too.
Yeah,
Protective towards.
very protective. Something that I'm doing even in the show which I'm doing for Sahara, which is Piya Ka Ghar Pyara Lage. So again, at the moment, of course, both the shows have the same shade. So I have loved doing all the shows that I have as a mother.
Okay, so being on-screen mother, who is your on-screen favorite child
Arey yaar.
that you have enjoyed the most? With whom you have enjoyed the most?
I've really enjoyed working with everybody. I played Mother to Sharman in Style and Excuse Me.
Yes.
So we didn't have too many scenes, but again we struck a real bond. Abhishek Bachchan, actually so many. I have managed to strike a bond with everyone that I work with. So I think it's not fair to judge your children. Na माँ के लिए हर बच्चा एक जैसा होता है. So
Oh, all
I
right.
think God, my children are very.
Okay. Now, being as Niluji, how your relation with your mother, how it has been?
My mother?
Yeah.
It's very amazing, but till date, I'm still scared of my mother. Even being a mother myself, I still feel that, my mother deserves that respect. My mother was a principal, so, there's always been a very strict mother I had. And I've maintained it till date. When my children say something to me, I tell them I yet don't have the heart to say something to my mother. I still feel that whatever she does is correct. Whatever she does is absolutely how it should be done. And I'm very proud of my mother. She's about 70 plus and holds herself with a lot of grace and dignity. Something I wish, if I can do just half of what she's doing, I'll be very glad.
Any particular moment with your mother you have spent very memorable for you?
I don't, I was in a hostel. So I think the first time when I came back, I realized how much I had missed her. And I think for the first time, I told her, you realize the value of your mother, you just take her for granted for everything that you do. But when I went to the hostel and I came back for the first time, I think for the first time told her I loved her. Because that was the time I realized what it is to stay without, your mother doing everything for you.
Yeah.
That was a very special moment for me. And the other special moment that I remember is my Vidai ka time when I got married. And I think every
Every girl,
every
like,
woman
yes.
is like that. at the time when I lost my father, and the way I bonded with my mother after that. I think there are lots of moments like that.
Okay. And how you are being mother, how you share your bond with your children?
My children never take me seriously. They treat me as a friend. Actually, because I got married so soon in my life that my son and me are more like friends than anything else, you know. And in fact, my husband always complains कि तुम अपने बच्चों को क्या सिखाओगी, तुम खुद तो ऐसी हो. So we bond very well. We are friends, and I am with them. I have given them this confidence that I will never judge them, even if they do wrong. They can always come back to me and say कि हमने ये किया और हमसे ये गलती हुई. I am a kind of mother, I think, who doesn't raise a finger and say, you know, I told you so. ऐसा मैं सोचती हूँ now. Otherwise, I don't actually what they think of me.
They'll think very good for you.
My daughter confides
Yes.
about all her friends, her crushes, her everything. Everything she tells me. I mean, I very nice bond with my daughter also.
Even is that say that ki a mother is a backbone of every children's life,
Absolutely.
every kid's life.
And plus, you know, it's always better to know what your children are up to. So if you're friends with them, you know, it's so much easier. You can guide them so much better if you know what they are up to.
Yes.
You know, so even otherwise I prefer उनके friends मेरे घर में आए rather than ये किसी और के घर में जाए. It becomes so much simpler to look after them.
So in 20th century mother, if you want to define this, okay, in just one sentence, what would you say?
Neelu Pali.
And a mother day wish your mother also.
Yeah, okay. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I'm so proud to have you as my mom, and I would not change that for anything in the world.
Wish you very happy Mother's Day. You being such a lovely mother on screen and off screen now, I got to know. Okay, thank you so much, Neeluji.
My pleasure.
Hi Nia, welcome to Teli Tadka.
Hi again, long time yaar.
Yeah, Mother's Day is just around the corner. So what do you think, being an Indian, is mother, and mother is the backbone of all our families. Is this one day enough to celebrate Mother's Day, and what are your thoughts on that?
No yaar, no day is enough to celebrate somebody's birthday, somebody's day or so. I think it's just one day of honoring somebody. So as this day is approaching me, or like it's on Sunday, I think it's the day of honoring all the mothers and telling them and thanking them and paying the gratitude of nurturing us, bringing up, giving us such a good upbringing. And I just want to thank my mom for supporting me through every thick and thin of mine, and how she has brought me up with after all the bad circumstances, the tough situations we've gone through, and even despite that, I'm still here standing in front of you and doing good in my life as of now. And I think it's my mom is behind all the success that I've gained till date, and she's the only inspiration and motivation of whatever I am doing, whatever I'm achieving. I think she's the only one lady in this world, and she's the only human being who will be the happiest from the heart, from her mind, from her soul. Whatever I do, she tells me one thing, that Nia, whenever you feel happy, whenever you are happy, I feel happy, my soul feels happy. I don't know what that feeling is, and especially everything I'm doing right now, every achievement that I get, she encourages me through. You know, I don't know, every mother is like that. Yeah. So it is just one day on Mother's Day. It is just a day of honoring. Otherwise, I'm not saying all the 365 days. Even if you lie down on her feet, touch her feet, press her feet, and press her head, and do anything in this world, it would not be enough to tell her how much she means to you and where she stands in your life.
Okay, you are getting very emotional. So let me ask, how is your bonding with your mother?
My bonding with my mother is she's my best friend, I would say. I have not been able to share things with my best friends in life, whatever secret. You know, even a little thing I've shared with my mom. the worst secrets of mine, the best of things in my life, I have shared with my mom. My mama and my brother, they're my two best friends. We hang out together. We used to. I mean, now I'm in Mumbai. I'm away from them. But we were three people who would laugh incessantly at things and make fun of the world and just laugh like anything. We go shopping together. We have so much fun together. So we are like three people and have so much fun.
So what are your plans for this Mother's Day? Anything special planned for your mom?
I really want to send a big courier to my mom, thanking her and. But you know, it looks too filmy. अभी मेरे को बहुत शर्म आती है सब करते हुए because कभी life में किया नहीं है ना. So you know, if I send it right now, so my mom would think क्या है, क्या कर रही है? मेरे को शर्म आती है करते हुए. The days are such now. This generation has become such that nobody would express. Everybody would feel from inside, but कोई बोलने को तैयार नहीं होगा, कोई express नहीं कर पाएगा. because हमें शर्म आती है करने में. We are those stupid generation where we will feel from inside, but we will never express it from our mouths. So I want to send her a courier, a big card or something like that. But
Okay, in life, Nia, if you get one chance to do something for your mother, what that would be?
I will take her around the world. I'll take her on a Euro trip. I will take her to Europe. I will make her do everything that she has been deprived of, or maybe she has not done. Yes, there are a lot of things, yeah.
Okay.
But I will take her on a trip.
On a trip, on a
somewhere
Europe
abroad,
trip.
Yeah.
A message for Mother's Day, baby.
I really want to salute and my heartiest regards to all the mothers, all the selfless mothers who have given up their careers, who have given up their own dreams and their little desires to bring us up, to give us an upbringing and make us where we are, despite the fact that we don't deserve anything. We don't deserve love. We are not those good kids, happy to be, but still, ये mothers ने किया है, and especially Indian mothers. I've seen their selfless love. Even if I think today as a girl, I think I cannot give up my career. I cannot give anything up to be a mother or to be. I don't know. I'm not selfless. But yes, mothers are. Thank you so much, and I really want to thank God for giving me such a mother, a beautiful mother.
Thank you, Nia.
Thanks.
Wishing your mother also a very happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom, if you see it.
Welcome to Tali Tarkani.
Thank you.
Now, wishing you and your mom a very happy Mother's Day. Tell me, what role does a mom play in a child's life?
See, one major thing that I would like to say is that the child is always child. Right now also I'm a child for her, and I will always be a child in any case.
Of course.
So the mom keeps playing various roles in the life of a child. Till date she is playing different roles. What actually amazes me most of the times is how my mother knows that I am probably down or not feeling well. So I kind of freak out with the idea that my mother somewhere knows what I'm going through at this point of time.
Yeah.
She invariably ends up calling and asking questions which tend to make me reveal my mental state to her, and I'm amazed at the same time that she knows.
Right.
And she turns around and tells him, "हाँ मुझे लगा था there is something." So I don't know how she does it.
I know exactly what you mean, because this morning my mom asked me when I was driving
Are you
here
okay?
exactly the same
Yeah,
thing.
Are you okay thing is the best thing in the world. So you always know, even if you don't feel like talking to your mother or don't have the energy or the inclination to call up and cry your heart out, she will still make it sure that she calls up and she knows. So that's very beautiful about it. And as a part of growing up, I have to salute my mother for one major thing, that she had to deal with 3 children, me, my younger brother and my father at times. So she always wanted a daughter, but neither of us are. So she kind of got cornered into dealing with 3 men. And me and my father went through a rough patch in between, and my mother was the only kind of support, not support as such, but the link between me and dad. So that was one of the toughest things that she had to go through.
Right.
And when I look back at it, I now know, I did not realize it then, but now I know what she must have gone through, trying to balance it out between me and my father.
Right.
So now it's like my father's retired, he's home, my younger brother is in the US, I'm here, so we don't get to meet her much. But I would always like to tell her that I love you, Mom. Whatever it is, Even if I don't call every day and don't speak to you, but the fact is, at the bottom of my heart, at the end of the day, in the back of my mind, I always know that you're there. And thank you for being everything to me. Thank you for doing and not doing many things, and especially not doing certain things and doing certain things.
Right.
So,
Have you had experiences where moms lied to dad for you, given money on the sly when you were young, all those things?
All the time. After I completed my school, I left house. I've been out of my house for about 14 years now.
Right.
So in the initial phase, she did do that. She kind of sent me money when I was in the hostel and stuff like that, because I was on a ration, so to say. And plus, I had fought with my father. So,
Right.
So she did all that for me.
Right.
She used to come meet me because daddy wouldn't. So yeah,
Right.
everything that a mother needs to do and should do.
Right. What is your take on Mother's Day celebration on 8th of May every year? Is it like a symbolism for you, or do you feel that one should celebrate, mother every day?
Well,
One
a question like that would always want me to say that we should celebrate Mother's Day every single day. But the truth is, at least when you give specific dates for certain days to be celebrated, it's just special. It's kind of, you can't celebrate, you celebrate yourself every single day, but your birthday is only once a year.
True.
So people tend to respond better on that particular day and take care of you much better. So I believe it's fun to have a single day singled out for something like this, so that you can pamper your mother,
Right.
take her out, which you would in any case do, but make us feel special on a specific day is fun.
Right. What special have you planned for her? If anything?
Actually,
You may not be able to go to
I
Nagpur,
will not,
but
I think the only special thing that I can do is call her up in the morning and say, "Mom, I love you."
so
She
sweet.
would be very happy because I don't call her.
Good.
That should be special for her.
I'm sure she'll look forward to that.
Talk to her for a longer period of time than I usually do. Give her 10 more minutes of a conversation.
And maybe I should ask, what resolution are you going to do on Mother's Day for your mother? That's something you can do now. What resolution?
I think it is time I took that resolution. It's to at least call her, not every day, but
Once
call
a
her
week.
once in 2 days,
Okay.
and be nice to her when I am in a bad mood. I should not take my frustration out on my mother
Right,
when
yeah.
she calls her.
Right, yeah. Here's wishing you and your mom a very special day on Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Annie. Welcome to Teletarkamal.
Thank you so much.
Wishing you a very happy Mother's Day.
Thank you so much. I want to wish all the mothers, and especially to my mother, happy Mother's Day. Because for me, मेरी mom ने मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया. I believe today where I'm standing right now is because of my mom.
Right.
उसने मेरे लिए इतने व्रत रखे हैं, इतनी पूजा की है, इतने उपवास रखे. उसका एक ड्रीम है कि मुझे तुझे सक्सेस करते हुए देखना है.
Right.
एंड मेरा ड्रीम है कि आज जो सक्सेस मुझे मिल रही है, जो प्यार मिल रहा है, जो मैं आगे लाइफ में करना चाहता हूँ, मेरी मॉम का आशीर्वाद मेरे साथ रहे. और अगर उसका सपोर्ट, उसका ब्लेसिंग मेरे पास रहा, तो आई हैव फ्यू ड्रीम्स फॉर माई फैमिली. मेरी मॉम के लिए, मेरे डैड के लिए, मेरी फैमिली के लिए. मुझे आज से नहीं, पिछले बहुत सालों से, मैं जब से डांस कर रहा हूँ, काम कर रहा हूँ, बहुत कुछ सोच के रखा है, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने मेरे लिए बहुत सफ़र किया है. मेरी मॉम ने मेरे लिए बहुत झूठ बोला है घर में, मेरे डैड से बातें छुपाई जा रही. वो डांस करने जाता है, वो क्लासेस बंक करता है, या कभी मुझसे कोई गलती हुई तो उसने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, जो दुनिया की हर माँ करती है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई मॉम इज़ मॉम. इसलिए मॉम को कहते हैं कि भगवान का दूसरा रूप अगर कोई है.
मातृदेव भव.
यस, एग्जैक्टली, जो कहा गया है संस्कृत में एक बहुत अच्छी मातृदेव भव पितृदेव भव. इट्स 100% करेक्ट. एंड अगर पृथ्वी पे कोई भगवान है तो आपके मॉम डैड हैं. सो आई लव यू मॉम एंड आई मिस यू अलॉट. आई नो मैं आपसे बहुत दूर हूँ, मिल नहीं पाता हूँ, आप मुझे बहुत मिस करते हैं, बट आई लव यू एंड आई डोंट वरी. वन डे आई विल बिकम समथिंग एंड आई विल मेक यू प्राउड, मोर प्राउड.
I'm sure she already knows that. And here's wishing you all the best. I do have one more question.
Yeah.
It's Mother's Day is a celebration which has come from the Western world to us. अपने culture में obviously हमारे में मानते हैं कि घर से निकलो तो मम्मी पापा का आशीर्वाद लेके
Exactly.
निकलो. तो क्या ये एक दिन का रिश्ता थोड़ी है? तो आपका क्या टेक है इस पे कि what is you know, is Mother's Day something that you celebrate or it's just one day and nothing more, but you celebrate it every day?
मैं मदर्स डे को एक डिफरेंट व्यू से देखता हूँ. मेरा व्यू कुछ अलग है.
जी.
Definitely it's not Indian, it's from the Western culture, but just like we accepted the Valentine's Day, Friendship Day, which this is one day which is I think, you know, Valentine's Day अगर आप नहीं बनाएंगे it's okay, Friendship Day आप नहीं बनाएंगे it's okay, but Mother's Day और Father's Day is one thing जो आपको actually Western से बहुत अच्छी मिल गई. You know, just like you celebrate Holi, Diwali, it doesn't mean कि आप राम भगवान को पूरे साल याद नहीं करते, पर दिवाली पे उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा किया था जिसकी वजह से आप बहुत खुशियाँ मनाते हैं. जी. Right? For me, if Mother's Day is there, भले वो Western culture से है, but it's best because you know हम लोग कई बार ऐसा होता है कि फैमिली में रहते हैं, माँ हमारे रोज़ सुबह शाम खाना बनाती है, हमारे कपड़े धोती है, हमारा ध्यान रखती है, हमसे हमारे झूठ बोलती है, हमें घर से पैसे ला के देती है, हमारे पॉकेट मनी के लिए पापा की जेब से पैसे चुराती है, इतना कुछ करती है और हम कभी रियलाइज़ नहीं करते कि वो हमारे लिए क्या क्या कर रही है.
सही है.
और वो हमसे कभी कुछ डिमांड नहीं करती. दुनिया की कोई मॉम कुछ डिमांड नहीं करती मेरे लिए ये ला के दो, वो ला के दो. वो बिना किसी इंटेंशन के हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ करती जाती. तो अगर ये एक दिन मिला है हमें गिफ्ट में फ्रॉम वेस्टर्न कल्चर टू गिव ऑल योर लव or to express your feeling towards your mom, so I will love to celebrate this thing because ये एक ऐसा दिन है जिस दिन पे सारी दुनिया की मॉम अपने आप को स्पेशल फील कर सकती है.
जी.
क्योंकि रोज़ की लाइफ, उन लोगों की लाइफ कैसी होती है, बिजी. सुबह उठो, बच्चे के लिए खाना बनाओ, हस्बैंड के लिए खाना बनाओ, घर की सफाई करो, फिर बुजुर्गों का ध्यान दो, फिर अपना पूजा पाठ करो. उनका दिन कब निकलता है उन्हें मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता है. उन्हें कभी ये फील नहीं हो पाता कि वो कितना ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हैं, वो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं एक फैमिली की लाइफ में. सो इफ़ दिस इज़ द डे जब हम सब मिल करके उन्हें फील करवा सकते दैट यस यू आर स्पेशल एंड यू आर आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड, we should celebrate it and we should make our mom feel that yes you are special and we love you so much.
What special are you going to do this Mother's Day, if anything?
If possible for me, मैं अपने घर जाना चाहूँगा और अपनी मॉम को सरप्राइज देना चाहूँगा. बट आई नो इट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, बट फॉर माई मॉम आई ऑलवेज प्रे टू माई गॉड वन थिंग, मुझे सक्सेस मेरे लिए मत दो, मुझे सक्सेस मेरी मॉम के लिए दो, क्योंकि उसने आपकी इतनी पूजा की है, इतना व्रत किए हैं कि अगर मैं सक्सेसफुल हो गया तो उसका एक ड्रीम पूरा हो जाएगा, उसकी लाइफ की एक बहुत बड़ी खुशी मिलेगी उसे, और वो बहुत उसकी शायद ये लास्ट एक बहुत बड़ी विश है भगवान से. सो आप मुझे वो करके दीजिए ताकि मैं मेरी मॉम के लिए एक दिन इतना, मेरे छोटे छोटे ड्रीम्स है, मैं डिस्क्राइब क्या करूँ. मुझे मेरी मॉम डैड के लिए एक अच्छी सी कार लानी है. मेरे मॉम डैड हमेशा सोचते हैं कि मेरे बच्चे के लिए कार है, मेरी विश है कि मैं उनके लिए कार लाऊँ. लाइफ टाइम वो कहीं जा नहीं पाए हमें पालने के लिए, हमारी ज़रूरतें पूरी करने के लिए. मेरा विश है कि मैं उन्हें एक वर्ल्ड टूर पे भेज दूँ जहाँ पे उन्हें टेंशन नहीं हो कि वो घर पे कब वापस आएंगे. वो जी भर के जिए अपनी ज़िंदगी, घूमें फिरें, पूरी दुनिया देखें, जहाँ उन्हें जाना है, जो उनके ड्रीम्स है वो सब पूरे करें. सो आई जस्ट विश कि गॉड मुझे इतना उस लायक बना दो कि एक मदर्स डे आए जब मैं मेरी मॉम के सामने जाऊँ और उनके सामने वो सारी चीज़ें रख दूँ जो मैंने मेरे इतने साल के करियर में सोची है, या उनके 50 साल की या 55 साल की लाइफ में उन्होंने सोची होगी. बस ये मेरा ड्रीम है. और मदर्स डे पे मैं बस प्रे कर रहा हूँ गॉड से अगेन कि मेरी मॉम को खुश रखिए और उन्हें उनकी जो भी खुशी है, जिस चीज़ से वो खुश होती हैं वो उन्हें कर दीजिए. वो मेरी सक्सेस हो, चाहे उनके पति की सक्सेस हो, चाहे घर में यू नो हैप्पीनेस की बात हो, या जो भी हो, प्लीज़ गिव माई मॉम एवरीथिंग.
Right here. Thank you so much, Amar. That's such a lovely message. Welcome to Tari Tarka, Sharat.
Hi.
Happy Mother's Day to you.
Same to you guys.
And want to know what is your and your mother's relationship?
It's very strong. I can't explain it because my dad passed away when I was 19.
Okay.
And 19, maybe 17, I think, 17.
Right. Sorry to hear
19 years
that.
back. And whatever I am right now is because of her. She taken care of me like anything. Never, whenever I demanded anything, she fulfilled it. So she has the highest place in my life, I think. She's great.
Right.
Mom is great.
Right. What is your take? I mean, I know you've lost your father, but in general perspective, mother and a father, is it two parents who bring a child together? I mean, raise a child, or does mother have a higher role to play in grooming, in giving sanskar, in developing the child? What is your take?
I believe it's both.
It's both.
Mom and dad, both. In different aspects of life, they give teachings to you. If it's outside the world, your father helps you out how to deal with them, how to behave, how to conduct yourself outside the house, and inside the house, obviously the mother teaches you from your religion to behavior to the love, affection towards your parents, your brothers and sisters and everything. So it's both, I think.
Right.
It can't be one-sided. But my mom, particularly, she taught me
Everything.
everything.
Everything. Understandably so. Right, we wish you. Are you going to do anything special for your mother this Mother's Day? Do you do anything special?
Not exactly on Mother's Day, but I think for me every day is
Special.
Mother's Day, and she'll be coming, I think, after around now hardly 14-15 days to my house. She stays in Gwalior, so she'll be here with my sister and her kids.
Right.
So obviously I'll do a lot of stuff for them, shopping and different pujas and everything, whatever she'll ask for.
Right, right. Now, in our culture, mother obviously plays a huge role, and the Mother's Day celebration is actually not part of our culture per se. So what is your take on that?
Because maybe that culture for them, they remember their mother only for one day, but we remember our mother every day, every second.
Right.
And if you're slightly hurt also, "Oi, ma," you used to do that. So
Yes.
the ma comes, I think, in each and every sentence. So
Very true.
you don't need a specific date to remember and respect our mom.
Right,
It's every day.
right here. Thank you so much. We wish you have a good time with your mom. Welcome to Chai Tarka, guys. Hello. Wishing all of you and your mothers and all mothers a very happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day!
Now tell us, what is the role of mother in a child's life?
It's the most important role in a child's life.
Can't be explained. Yeah, can't describe it. If I describe it, it's like insulting.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what all things has your mother done? You know, for example, my mom has given me, I hope my dad never sees this interview, but my mom has given me money on the sly, lied for me, you know, when I've gone out on a date. Every mother's do it. But tell us some special incidences which you got caught or something and dad took your case. Anything?
I bunked my college from I never went college in the 11th.
Oh.
Never in the 12th.
Dad, I hope you're not listening to this one.
So my mother came to know about it and it was like...
Murder. What about you?
But you should say thank you to your mom.
Thank you for doing that. Yeah, seriously.
Yeah. It was murder, but I survived. What about you, DeMello?
Me, well, as everyone, like every mother is very supportive. But in some cases where I planned to quit. I quit actually college. I wasted a year because I wanted to get into dancing. That's how I met Shantanu and I got into HR and all of that. That's a different story. But quitting something where your interest is and where you'll probably progress later on for your hobby or something that you really love. Like usually parents don't support that, but my mother was like, okay, fine, do what you want. And I was like, yeah, are you serious? And I was like, she's like, I'll just do. She's like, if you're sure you want to do it, just do it. And I'm so glad that I did that, because if I wouldn't have quit college that time, I mean, I'm not quit, I'm still in college. But that 1 year, if I hadn't wasted, I wouldn't be here. So I'm really grateful. Woo!
Oh, wow! What about you, Shantanu?
As Messi said, he wanted to leave college for his hobbies. It was opposite in my case actually. I never wanted to get into dancing. But my mother wanted. And I used to, actually my mother used to dance and used to sing. So I used to just see, look, let's see, acha, aisa hai. And I used to just copy, imitate her. And she somewhere thought that I have a spark, as in to dance and stuff. I used to cry, as in when I first went to dance class for my dance classes, I guess for a month I used to cry for in the dance class, and before it was program होता है ना, एक 9 बजे चालू होता है, 10 बजे तक चलेगा, उसके बाद वापस I'm back to normal. So it was like that. So I just want to thank her for for supporting me, for believing that yeah, there is something in me, and it's because of her that I'm here today. And now we're talking about mothers. I've not met anyone's mother but Shantanu's mother, because we've gone to Kolkata. His mother is the sweetest mother ever. She has all possible videos. It's like I've never seen any mother having, like, since the time he was a child. He's danced on a lot of, like, many songs. She has all the possible video clips, and she was so enthusiastic to show it to us. We were like, yeah, we want to see. And
Can we
like,
get
no,
those?
No. And he's like, no, I don't want to show it. I don't want to show it because he was feeling shy, obviously. And we insisted, and she was so excited about the fact, like, you know, and we too were excited, and it was so sweet on her part. And she's a very good cook.
Oh wow.
She's like, we were leaving from Kolkata, and we didn't know where to go because we had like 3 hours to spend. We didn't even bother. We just called up his mom. We were like, auntie, we're coming home. She's like, hey, all of you come home. We were like, no, that's 9, 10 of us, somewhere around 12, 1 o'clock in the night. She woke up and she prepared food for all of us, and that was the sweetest thing. We were like, you know, thank you so much, and we obviously, you know how we are. We eat like we don't, like nobody's business. So we ate so much, and then like it was really, and she packed food for us too, like for the train journey. It was really, really sweet.
Right, what about you?
मैं अपने मॉम के बारे में बोलूँगा कि मैं कभी ये डिग्री में आने से पहले ना मेरी मॉम ने बोला था कि तेरा टैलेंट है और तू सच में डिग्री करना चाहता है, अगर तू इसके अंदर घुसेगा तो कभी तू मतलब एग्जाम तो दे नहीं पाएगा और तू स्टडी तो ऐसे ही छोड़ देगा। तो मैं मम्मी को बोला करने का मन है तो जानने का डिग्री में कुछ देखते ना ऑडिशन देखा तो मैं कुछ नहीं है ऐसा बोल रहा था। तो बाद में मॉम ने बोला कि ठीक है बेटा जा तू, तो अभी मैं ये डिग्री में मतलब अच्छे इसमें तो कुछ टाइम अगर मैं नहीं जाने देती तो कैसा होता है, तो लोग भी छुड़े जाता वैसे भी होता हूँ। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा था गाने भी।
What about you?
My mom is like she has a very special place, actually place in my heart. Actually, whatever I'm today, just because of my mom. She like always whatever actually everyone's mom. She supports me in each and every way, like even from single small things to like larger things. So and her mom, his mom is a very good cook. Very good. We all have lunch. We all wait for lunch time only because of his cooking.
I went to his place and her mother, and we were coming to Kanjal for shooting. So her mother gave him money. His mother gave him money. So she's like, okay, you also take 100 rupees. I'm like, it's okay. Then she's like, I'm giving my son to you. You need to die.
Oh, so sweet. Now we're talking about food, right?
Yeah.
Cuisines of the world vis-a-vis mom's food. And I'm not going to ask about the set food, okay? Because let's not discuss that.
अपनी माँ का खाना सबसे लजीज खाना होता है।
सब agree करते हैं। Now tell me, being 8th May is Mother's Day. What special have you planned for your mother, if anything? या तुम लोग काम करोगे और मम्मी तुम्हारा सीरियल देखेगी?
वो नहीं बोलती है तो भी होगा। रिपीट देखते 4 साल रिपीट देखती है।
So sweet. Does she give you tips or does she tell you ये अच्छा नहीं था वो बहुत अच्छा किया था?
Stop frowning, okay, and keep your eyebrows up. Your show is really good, and the way you deliver your dialogues and it's really good.
So best critic?
Yeah, not mine.
Not your mom. She's biased totally.
My mom is she'll be like, look at him, he's acting so, look at him. My mom is like, look at this, look at that, and look at you. That's what she's like, why don't you also, like, you know, fall in love, and why don't you cry? I'm like, but that's not my character. I cannot cry and like, you know, look at your girl. She's like, no, but you should also try all that. I was like, I can try. That's when I get a chance to try. But if that's not my character, I am not like, no, you want to do the same thing all the time. I'm so bored. I'm like, okay, fine, I'm not gonna argue with you.
तुम्हारी मम्मा नहीं बोलती कुछ तुम्हें? So anything special that you plan to do?
We really trying to. We actually don't believe in Mother's Day. Every day is not. I don't think you should.
No, it's fine.
It's not about believing. It's just like every day is like a mother. Yeah.
So what do you do every day for your mom?
Every day. I don't want your mother to be upset.
Yeah. And tell us, who is more important? Father, mother, or both?
I think
Why?
family is more important. Well, my
That's a
mother
good
has
one.
raised me single-handedly, so I support. Mother is
For you,
more
that's
important.
family, I understand. So family, I'll go with family, right? Because someone told me recently that mother takes care of you, the internal person. You know, whether it is giving you how to deal with emotions or how to deal with, interpersonal interactions. And father helps you deal with the outside world. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I mean, for you, of course, you had both your father and mother in the same person, which sometimes is good
Yeah.
because two perspectives can change things. So, wish all the mothers once again very
Very happy Mother's Day, all the mothers in the whole world. Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.